The trip takes us over some of the most remote terrain on Earth. An endless expanse of rocks, bogs, and ponds.
What are you doing there? You look.
You know, once you get
Oh,
inside
you
the
stand.
city, it's just
Oh my
wilderness.
God!
It's incredible.
On top of the giraffe here, we got Holly. Oh my God!
Wow. We're coming up
Look at you.
these cliffs right here. We are now really in the exact place where Dobbins saw this airplane for the last time. Point last seen right here. We're doing
See how
about
little
100, 110
giraffe.
minutes, which is just what the white bird would have been doing. Josh, this is Gull
1810.
Pond. This is it. This is the place. And this
Now,
is for sure
the
the
little
largest
giraffe
body
there.
of
No,
water I've
another
seen out
one.
here. This is a place you could try to put a plane down, for sure. And where's that island? Right over here. So all those stories and the metal that you found from that little island. Yep. Okay.
Do it.
Now we just gotta find a place to land. The helicopter drops us off to meet Rick's team, who have already choppered in. Magnetic imaging experts and drone operators Kiavish Parver and Andrew Gagnon Nandram, and airplane archaeologist Lisa Daly. Okay, let's talk about this beast right here. This is a drone?
Yeah, right here we have a commercial multi-copter drone
Okay.
that we use for geophysical surveys.
Andrew has mounted a powerful magnetometer to his drone, allowing him to conduct the first ever aerial mag scan of the lake. The hope is to get a hit on the aircraft's engine. The drone lifts off and begins its pre-programmed grid over the pond, flying 100 feet in the air to cover almost 100 acres of territory in a fraction of the time it would take from the ground. So, how long is it going to take to scan this whole pond?
The whole lake will take about 3 to 4 hours to fly.
All right, so we get some time on our hands. A few hours later, the drone has landed and the data is in. I'm excited to see if we've bagged the white bird. So walk us through the color patterning first.
So blue would be low magnetic intensity, and the reds into the purples and the pinks are the higher end. So the bedrock here does have a lot of magnetic signal. So what we're looking for here is a few of the small